Hi, and welcome to this episode of A Closer Look. With me today, I have Johan Tenor, who is Head of Product Marketing for the Epiroc Grey line drill strings. Welcome.
Thank you, Sandra.
And we should mention for Top Hammer as well. You are actually going to tell us what we're going to have a closer look at. The things are in front of us, the products.
Yeah, today we're going to look at our Grey line drill bits. In this case, the ones you see here mainly for surface construction and quarries.
And these two are obviously just two of a range of different products that we offer. Can you just tell us shortly what different sizes that we have?
For surface construction and quarries, you're talking normally about T38, T45 and T51, but we also have a range of products suitable for underground mining as well, smaller products as well. So we have a variety of products in the portfolio.
And the reason we've invited you here is because we want you to tell us a bit more about them, go into more details. But to begin with, can you just give us the three main benefits of the Grey line drill bits?
You can do that. What we're focusing on when it comes to this range of products is very much the drilling economy, to reduce the cost per meter for our customers in less demanding rock formations. That's one. We're also looking at, obviously making sure we have a reliable product. So reduce the downtime for the customers as well. They shouldn't have breakages and then stand still on the rig itself. Also very important for us, of course. But it also comes with Epiroc quality. It's an Epiroc product that we can stay behind. Everything's involved in that as well. So very much like focus on a reliable product that provides the lowest cost per meter for the customers.
Good, there you have it. Those are the three main benefits. And what we usually do here is that we go through each benefit and you just talk us through them a bit more. So I think let's just get started with that. And I have some other questions that we can ask later on. Okay. But so the first one, which is drilling economy. Can you tell us a bit more about that? Yeah,
so what we have been doing with the bits is really to look into suitable material, heat treatment, button configurations, the type of buttons we're using as well. Most of our bits coming with semi-ballistic buttons as well as spherical. So we are kind of trying to tailor-made a product that really fits into less demanding rock conditions compared to what we, for example, do with our yellow products, who is more suitable for harder formations.
And for the customers, will they see the difference? Obviously, we painted these ones grey with the name Grey line, and the other ones are yellow. But is there any other characteristics that they can see the difference?
Yeah, if you just look at compare those ones, the one we have in front of us here, Sandra, it's what we refer to as semi-ballistic buttons. If you look at, for example, our yellow bits, they come with our tripmost buttons instead. So there you can identify the difference from one to another. What you cannot see, but what you have in place is actually a different heat treatment. Design-wise, they are very similar otherwise, but you can identify them from each other.
There you have it. That was the first main benefit. What about the second one?
The second one, we focus very much on less downtime, as we mentioned. For us, it's very important to have a product that is reliable. Our customers shouldn't really have to, have a standstill on the rig itself. Obviously, they will lose productivity. So we really put a lot of focus into making sure we have the quality in place, to provide reliable setup for the customer. That's very important for us.
And obviously we have tested these thoroughly, but what's the feedback from customers when we've been testing them? It's
been positive. We've been testing them, I would say, in different markets around the world. The latest ones have been testing in Sweden. But in all, I would say positive so far. Yeah. Good feedback.
And you mentioned that we've obviously the market here. Are we seeing it as only certain markets that these are going to be available for, or can any customer use them around the world?
Just as an example, if you look at the ones we have here, they are very much developed for construction, quarries, where you have less challenging rock conditions or less demanding rock conditions. And it doesn't matter if it's in Europe or if it's somewhere else in the world, they will perform, definitely. So I would say it's a global product.
Good. And that takes us to the third main benefit, and Epiroc reliability. Can we promise that?
Yes, yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely. No, I'm very confident about this because, when it comes to the products we kind of, supply to the market, no matter if it's yellow or gray, we still have a great engineering team behind it. They've been designing those with, all the benefits that we need. I would say, we take care of the product. It's an Epiroc product, as I mentioned. We stay behind it. So, very confident. Yeah.
And usually when we talk about drill strings, back in the days we always said yellow on yellow. So now we're going to start saying yellow on grey or grey on yellow, or
we can, yeah. Absolutely.
And so these bits will work on any Epiroc product, really? Or?
Yeah, it is. I mean, they are produced according to the standard in this case, T-thread system in the market, so they will fit, no matter if it's a yellow or a gray rod, but also even on competitors' rods as well in this case. So they are produced according to the industry standard we have.
Good. There you have it. That was the third main benefit, and that's all of them. Talking about drill rigs, we mentioned it briefly before, but does this actually work with all of our Epiroc top hammer drill rigs? Or?
It will. It will. If you look into, I would say, all the drill rigs that are available in the market, drilling in those different hole ranges or in those different applications or segments, they will work there for sure. Yeah.
Good. And as you mentioned, also with competitors, obviously.
Obviously, yes.
So, yeah. Good. Is there anything else that we've forgotten to mention about these drill bits?
No, I think the three main benefits really sums it up in a good way. As we said, we are really trying to, again, focus on a reliable product, providing the lowest cost per meter possible for our customers out there. So, yeah.
Good, and you kind of summarized them, the three main benefits there, otherwise I was going to ask you to do it. But there you have it. This is the Epiroc Grey line drill bits. They are available for all of our customers. If you do have any questions about the Grey line, you can reach out to Johan and your team, or also the local customer centers that have experts on it.
That's right. Yeah.
And like we said, they are available to order at any time, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Perfect, good. Well, thank you so much for coming here, talking us through the drill bits. And thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you, Sandra. Thank you.